Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Speedy token. Now, name of the token is Speedy, ticker symbol is also Speedy. Now it's kind of a joke because it's a turtle, and obviously turtles are slow, and it's a meme coin, an ERC20 meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. And it was just announced that they are getting a very big central exchange listing. And on top of that, this token is doing very well. We're going to go over the information on the Speedy token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you go to their webpage, speedytheturtle.xyz, you're going to find all the links. So they have 4 different chart sites where you can see how the token is doing. And that is CoinDeco, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, and Dex Screener. And those are all linked on their webpage. Also, you can find the token on Etherscan. Also, if you go to the webpage speedytheturtle.xyz, you're going to find 4 different socials. They have a Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and a TikTok. So all sorts of links there. And of course, memes. You're going to find all sorts of memes. So it says, meet Speedy. In the wild world of crypto, where every new coin races to the top, one little turtle is making waves with a time-tested model. Slow and steady wins the race. Introducing Speedy, the meme coin that is here to remind you that greatness comes not from rushing, but from steady, thoughtful progress. Now, isn't that true? Consistency, daily effort and consistency equals success. Now it says here, Speedy wants you. Remember to embrace the slow and steady approach. Grab your Speedy and join us on this journey. Remember, in the world of crypto, it's not always the fastest who wins. Sometimes it's the one who keeps moving forward no matter how slowly that crosses the finish line first. So let's go slow and steady, because with Speedy, success is not just a destination, but a journey worth taking. Speedy the Turtle. And it says, do you have any questions? What is the origin of Speedy? Well, Speedy pays homage to the old fable of the tortoise and the hare. I mean, we could have figured that out with other meme coins zooming past. Speedy takes his time, moving at his own pace, and he watches the market booms and busts, knowing the true success isn't about being the fastest. It's about being patient and consistent. What is the philosophy behind Speedy? Well, he embodies the spirit of perseverance and patience. Unlike a flash-in-the-pan hype meme coin, we are here to grow steadily. We get the idea. We don't need to read the rest of that. So what are the key features of Speedy here? So steady growth, community first, giving back. So it looks like it says here, Speedy is committed to giving back to the community by donating. So it's a charity token. To organizations supporting conservation of sea life and wildlife, while working on initiatives to ensure awareness that our coin doesn't grow steadily, but in harmony with the environment. And then and last one is the rewards of patience. And then the vision is pretty much the same as all the stuff I already mentioned. At the bottom of the webpage, they have a contact email, team@speedytheturtle.xyz, in case you need to reach out. Now, their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Speedy Official Portal, 745 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, as usual, at Speedy on ETH, blue verified check mark, 1,421 tweets, very active on the socials. Has a link to their webpage right there. All the links you're going to need are on that webpage, so you can just find it right on this Twitter here. They just joined September 2024, and they already have 2,777 followers. And there's basically a full link tree too as well in their pinned tweet that'll take you anywhere you need to go. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. Now, first of all, it was just announced that it says upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list the Speedy token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So it doesn't give an exact date yet, but if you follow at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter, they are going to tell you soon when the listing will be for this token. And when it does get listed, if you don't have a Bitmart account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search Speedy when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. So you could follow this Twitter right here. They'll tell you when the Bitmart listing is, or you could follow Bitmart's Twitter, and it'll tell you when the listing is. Now, the second way to get this token, which is where people have been getting it already, is that you can get this token off of Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. So you could basically, first you'd need a wallet, so you could download a Google Play, or from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension. You could download a Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, or Coinbase wallet. You would fund that wallet with ETH. Now you could fund it with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find at speedytheturtle.xyz, you would trade your ETH for the Speedy token. It is that easy. Now this token has a market cap right now of $19.3 million. That is also their fully diluted valuation, so they're doing insanely well here. Over $500,000 liquidity pool, $502,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is almost 2 cents. It's around 2 pennies. Almost $1 million 24-hour trading volume today too as well. $953,000 in trading just today. Token pair was created 1 month ago on Uniswap. Not a brand new token, but brand new big central exchange listing. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Speedy? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.